what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Earthly Trends. This is just a video on the progress that I've made with my van. If you haven't seen my other video, you should go on my channel and to check it out, just so that you can see what it looked like before, and now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. So let's take a look at what I've done so far. Alright guys, so this is basically the inside of it. This is what I've done so far. I'm kind of going to explain to you what I've done in the process. So these are my walls. I got these brick walls here. I like the design of them. I really like the color. I want it to kind of look like a loft. So you know, in lofts they have that exposed brick. So that's kind of the design and the look that I'm going for here. These are not real. These are just kind of like a cardboard, you know, printout of brick. That's right here. And then also on this side, we have the backdrop. This is the backsplash for my kitchen. This is just kind of like some wood that we picked up at Lowe's, you know what I mean? So we just kind of put those together just like that. And these are the couches. So I just recently painted these like a really dark gray. I really like the turnout of that. It also matches with the color of my fabric that I chose for the cushions. These cushions are really soft. The foam inside of it is thick. So these turned out really good. So if you don't really understand like how I'm going to be sleeping, just make sure you watch my last YouTube video. It kind of explains this whole process of how my table is going to break down into my bed and how my pillows are just going to meet in the middle, and then all this area right here will be my sleeping area. Okay. All right. So now this is my kitchen area. This whole thing was not here in the last video, so this is a huge, you know, progress. This was a huge project so here I'll start with my refrigerator. This is my refrigerator right here. This is basically a wine cooler, you know what I mean? I don't have a freezer in there. I'm not going to be having frozen foods like that. This is basically just to keep like my eggs, if I get some milk or something like that, or if I want to keep some of my fruit clean, I can also put it in there. Also like this, I like the black, I like the sleek look of it. It is glass, it's see-through, it has an LED light under there, so that way I can turn it on. You can see all of my drinks and stuff like that. Here's my outlet. It also has a phone charger port in there, so I can charge my phone and also plug up different things if I want to get a toaster, if I want to get a stove or something like that. Not a stove, but like a industrial oven, like a little small oven. I can heat up bread and stuff like that. I can use that. These wires run in the back of the wall here, and then as you can see, they kind of go through the van and end up on the other side where all of my electrical is going to be. All right, so now we're going to start on the sink. So this was basically almost the last thing that I put in. So I really like the turnout of this sink. I have a little, you know, Galaxy black sink here. I have a little soap pump here, and I also have here's my water faucet. So hot, cold, this also comes out. So that way I can spray, wash my dishes, everything like that. I'll be also brushing my teeth here. So that's pretty much my sink area. And underneath, it's kind of messy under here, we've been working. But underneath you can see all of the water pumps. So my hot and cold tubes that you see under there, they run in the back of the wall, the back of the van. And they'll also be hooked up to my 21-gallon water tank that I have underneath one of my benches here. Also, here is my shower. So I know a lot of people have questions about how my shower is going to work. So this is basically how it's going to work. When I move things to the side here, this will come out. This slides out like so. I'll be able to put this off to the side. And then as you can see, we started, here's my, where my water is going to come out at. The water spigot is there. And then what I'll be able to do, all I have to do is just stand in here. There will be a curtain that sits inside of here that will hook onto the roof. And then I'll have my, my shower handle that will come off, and then I can just kind of spray myself down like that, put it back. There's going to be a door here. And then once I'm done taking a shower, all I have to do is just take this board. That slides back in there, just like that. And it turns right back into my kitchen counter. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Again, Just an update, it is a process. I have no clue when it's going to be done. We're just working day by day just to make sure, you know, we're staying steady at it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and get ready for the next video. So I'll try to update you guys a lot on what's going on. Next, we're probably going to be working on the ceiling, putting the solar panels in, and also the closet. I'll show you guys a lot of my water process, how my water is going to be running, and also the electrical. So thank you guys for watching. Again, this is Earthly Trends. Thank you.